Okay. See, Vijay, how
Sir.
the interviews are happening.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's why now we don't know what type of question we'll get in the interview. That's why we'll to prepare all types of questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just keep 1 or 2 months target. In that
Okay,
1 or
sir.
2 months, at least you have to try complete the programs. Like what is
Okay,
the
sir.
basic level to medium and hard level also.
Okay, sir.
And see, from her experience, you can observe like they are mostly concentrating on the projects also. Like how you are explaining your project.
Yes, sir.
When you are able to explain, they will know you are by your own you did that project. They will think like that. But you are not able to explain the project in a proper manner. They will think like just you participate in the project. That's why
Okay,
you
sir.
have to concentrate on the project side also. Like what are the main motto of the project? What are the modules involved? Like what you did there. At
Okay,
least
sir.
you need to know. At least select one part, major part, the coding
Okay, sir.
part also.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Shall we continue or wait some more time?
I think we can start. We can start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me share my screen. That make me record. Yeah. Okay, Vijay. I think today class. Yeah, class 16. Vijay, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Keep it like turn on. Shall we continue whatever the topic we continue or anything particular topic you need to discuss? Like the point of actually today I want to discuss about Memory Allocation. Shall we continue or any topic particular? Hello. Vijay, are you there?
Sir. Why? Sir.
Wait, Vijay, wait. Hello.
Sir.
Any particular topic you want to name or shall we continue whatever the flow we have?
Sir, yesterday, what discussed?
Nothing in that. Only pointer and for new join is there, na Navya. For her, I explained what are the content she has to prepare
Yes, sir.
and how was the class timings and all. After I disconnected from my Wi-Fi connection, after that Kunal also not able to speak. That's why I continue just code and like course content and the timings I explained to Navya. Okay. Anyway, you can
Okay.
access the recorded video yesterday's class also from the website. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. I want to discuss dynamic memory allocation. Is it fine, or any particular topic you need to discuss?
Dynamic memory allocation, sir.
Yes, yes. Is it fine, or any particular topic you need to discuss?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Can you tell me, Vijay, like why dynamic memory allocation came into picture?
Dynamic
Any point?
memory allocation.
What's it?
Sir?
Why dynamic memory allocation came into picture?
I actually forgot.
No, Vijay, you don't need to refer the textbooks. Okay, just communicate. We can discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No need to give particular answer, correct answer. Whatever the thing you know, just discuss. In that way, what happens? We can correct them. Even though I'm also don't know everything, na? Even
Okay.
if I'm just say anything wrong, you can also say. So this is the wrong. Okay. See why dynamic memory allocation came into picture means before this dynamic memory allocation, what we have? We have the static memory allocation.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. You know the
we will
static
take
memory
a
allocation?
runtime input, sir. Dynamic. I think.
Yes, that is correct. We have done static memory allocation.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between these two? You know,
Sir?
what is the difference between static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation?
Static memory allocation means we can give the fixed input, sir. We can't change the
Okay.
input, sir. Coming to
Fixed input or fixed size?
sir, fixed.
Fixed input or fixed size? If you say fixed input, na,
Yes, sir.
then
Fixed
it
size.
is not
Fixed
a
size.
fixed size. For suppose it is like this, then
Fixed
this is
memory
also
size.
static memory allocation only. That is not fixed input. It is
Okay,
fixed
sir. Okay.
size. That is related to size only.
Okay, sir. Fixed memory size.
Fixed memory size. Now, can you tell me how much memory allocated for this array?
20 bytes, sir.
20 bytes. Okay. Now tell me here, what are the disadvantages, what are the drawbacks with this?
If you want to change the, if you want to increase or decrease, we can't do, sir.
Okay.
That is drawback.
Okay.
That is drawback, sir.
That is drawback. Okay. Like we cannot modify the size.
Oh yes, sir. We can't modify the memory size.
Not possible. That is fine. Can you tell me what are the drawback? That is one thing. What are the main drawbacks in the static memory allocation?
That's what I remember, sir.
Okay, no problem. Main drawbacks are, first one is, see here, memory wastage, na?
Yes, sir. Memory wastage.
Memory wastage. Any other thing? That is related to memory only. Can you guess?
Sir?
Memory insufficient. Here, this is like memory wastage. This is the first thing. How
Yes, sir.
memory insufficient? Like for suppose the same thing I have int array of 5 I declared, but I want to store 100 elements or 10 elements.
Okay, sir.
Is it possible to store?
No, sir.
Means what happened here? In memory insufficient.
Insufficient.
Okay. To avoid
Yes, sir.
these two drawbacks, we go
Yes,
with
sir.
dynamic memory allocation.
Dynamic memory. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear why dynamic memory allocation came into picture?
Okay,
This
sir.
is the
Yes,
way
sir.
you need to explain. For suppose if someone
okay,
asks, if you don't know about why DMA we are learning and that is not clear, na? It is difficult to remember the theory part.
Yes, sir.
Even though programming also difficult, like why we are learning this dynamic relation concept. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the thing why we are using. Next,
Yes.
Can you tell me what are the operations we have in dynamic reallocation? Like what are the functions we have?
Malloc, Calloc, Realloc.
What are the functions there? Simple, I'm writing DMA, but that is not direct memory access. This is dynamic memory allocation. For
Yes.
shortcut, I'm writing like this. Okay. Yeah. What are there? Like Malloc, Calloc. Next, Realloc, and
Lock.
free. These are the main 4 functions we are using in DMA. Okay. Can you tell me what is the purpose of this Malloc and Calloc?
Sir, Malloc. Malloc means we can increase the size of the memory and decrease the size of the memory, sir.
Okay. For the Calloc,
Malloc and Calloc both are same.
okay. If both are same, then why we have 2? Why not only 1? You got my question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just said both are for the same purpose. That is like for memory allocation only.
Yes, sir. Memory allocation.
Memory allocation. Then why we have 2? What is the like specialty of Malloc and what is the specialty of Calloc? Do you know about Malloc syntax and Calloc syntax?
Yeah, yes, sir. But
What are
I'm not
these?
remember, sir.
If someone asks what is Malloc and Calloc, what is your quick answer? Understand my question? Question is like, what are Malloc and Calloc? What is your quick answer? It has to be valid. Simple. These are the predefined functions. Is it correct or not?
Okay, sir.
Predefined
Correct,
functions.
sir.
For the question, that is valid answer only. After that,
Yes.
if someone asks like predefined function, that is correct. Then predefined function declaration is present where these functions
Sir?
declarations present. Every function
Header
has
file,
a
sir.
which header
Sir?
file? In which header file these function declaration present? stdlib.h header file. Okay, in this, these function declaration are present.
Yes,
Okay, now coming to our point, like why we have the 2 memory allocation functions, why not only 1? What is the specialty of Malloc and Calloc? Okay, can you tell me to define a function, what are the attributes we need to take care about?
Sir?
If you want to declare a function, what are the attributes
Okay, sir.
you need to take care? Those are, first one is return type,
Yes, sir. Arguments.
return type, then function name,
Function name, arguments.
then argument type and argument name. That is the one declaration. No?
Yes, sir.
Argument type and argument name. This is a declaration. Okay,
Yes.
now can you tell me what are the declarations of Malloc? What is the return type of Malloc? Not getting? This is
Sir?
generic pointer. Return type of malloc. The return type is void star. Correct or wrong?
I think Calloc return type.
Calloc return type void star. Then what about
Void
malloc
star.
return type?
Void star
Yes.
only, sir.
Void star only. Why you think like malloc only voids are only for the calloc?
Sir?
You are saying like for the calloc it is void star.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to remember that one? Like how we say this void star? What is the meaning of void star?
Void star nothing but void is not. Void means nothing, sir.
Okay. Star. Why we
Return.
need to give?
Void star.
Okay, I will tell. Okay, no problem. I will tell. Okay, this is a function name. Then argument. Here we have to pass size underscore t and size we need to pass. This is the function declaration. Okay. Coming to how to remember, like these are the most important questions in the interview. Like, can you write the malloc calloc syntax? At that time, we think like, what is it in type? Why we are writing the void star?
Okay.
Whatever the memory is created by the malloc, means malloc what will do? See, you know, na, like memory layout.
Okay, sir.
The memory layout, we have code or text segment. Then after data segment. Vijay, no need to return refer anything. Okay, just concentrate on the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because this is the most important. Again and again. Okay. Here initialized data segment. Here uninitialized data segment. Like we can call it is DSS segment. Okay. Then after here heap and stack. Some of the architecture heap is upgrowing and some of the architecture it is in upgrowing and downgrowing. It is depend on the architecture. Okay. Now we can discuss like heap is upgrowing, stack is downgrowing. Okay. Now whenever you create the memory, like whenever you call malloc, malloc will create the memory. Okay. In which memory it will create? That is in heap section.
Heap section.
In the heap section, it will create. In the memory, how it looks like. For example, I will take only heap section. For our understanding, I am taking only heap. Like this is, for example, this heap. For example, just assume it is heap. Heap, how it's divided, na, the memory. Memory is divided by byte, one byte. Okay.
Yes.
Just assume each block is one byte. Okay. Like this. For example, this block address. For example, it is 1000. Okay. Next,
Yes.
one byte, na? This is 1001.
Yes, sir.
Then 1002,
1002.
1003, 1004. Just I'm writing 5, 6. Okay. 7. Just for example, here 7. Then it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 1010, 1011 like that. Okay. Like this,
Yes, sir.
the memory is present in a heap section. Whenever you call malloc, na, what it will do, it will take, while you are calling, it will take one argument, like how much memory you want. For example, here I called the function malloc with 5 bytes, for example. Just I am calling malloc of 5. Here what happened, it will take this one argument as a size. Means we are telling to the compiler, in the heap section I need 5 bytes of memory. Then malloc will what will do, it will check in the heap section whether the continuously 5 bytes of memory is present or not. Just observe here, as of now we have 5 bytes of memory, like from here to this 1 byte, 2, 3,
3,
4.
4.
This is 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bytes of memory is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
it what will do? This is the address, no? This is the
Yes, sir.
memory base address. Means 1000 is the this 5 bytes of memory base address.
Yes, sir.
Who will collect the address in our C language? To collect
Pointer.
to address, which concept we need to go? The pointer.
Pointer.
Okay, that means
Yes, sir.
this will return, malloc will return pointer address. It will
Yes, sir.
return base address of the memory, of the heap memory. Okay, for that we need to return, no? Means as we know, that is we are returning address. Address means who will collect? Pointer only. That's why to return address
Pointer.
we need to return type as which one?
Pointer, star.
Type is pointer. That's why we're taking pointer. Then why we need to take void? Why not int star and char star like that?
Yes.
Why? What is the reason? Why not like this? Why only this void star? Because as this is user choice, like which type of data he want to store. We are not predict as a developer. We are not able to assume like what is the user choice. That's why we took void star. Means whatever the type is there you want to store, compiler will typecast implicit typecast. You know what is the implicit typecasting? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
typecast? What is the meaning of typecast?
Implicit typecast and explicit typecast.
No, first
Implicit
tell me about typecast. What is the meaning of typecast? Typecast means simple conversion of
converting one type of data into another type of data.
of data, one type to
Another
Another
type.
type. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is called typecast.
Yes, sir.
Implicit means compiler
Typecast.
itself it will convert from one type to another type. That
Okay,
is
sir.
called implicit typecast. Then what is the meaning of explicit typecasting means?
Okay, sir.
That is as a developer, we are doing typecasting from which type to which type we need to convert. That is called explicit typecasting.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, why?
Okay.
What is the reason to take void star?
Implicit.
You're not able to predict what is the
Yes.
user choice. That's why whatever the data you are reading, like here we can tell like size of int, like how much data we are passing. Then it will typecast, implicit typecast to that particular tag. Okay. That's why we are doing void star. Void star means what can mean? It can hold any type of address. Okay, not only int type of data address or char type of address. It can hold any type of memory address. Void star. Is it clear, Vijay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
that's why we are taking here void star as a data type. It is the malloc function name. Then how much size you want to create. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we do one program?
Yes, sir.
Program requirement is like simple, no need to write simple malloc program. We can do one program, like real time one program we can do. Requirement is Nandini, you can also participate if you got the logic, okay? Like requirement is like write a program to find the target is present or not in array by using dynamic memory allocation and don't use comparison operator. This is one condition. Another one is to find the target, you need to use only bitwise operator. You got the requirement, Vijay?
Sir.
You got the requirement?
Is present or not in an array. Okay, sir.
Okay, means how many things we need to take care. One is dynamic memory allocation we need to use.
Dynamic.
Another one is we need to use bitwise operator to find the target, whether it is present or not. The condition is don't use comparison operator to find the target is present or not. There is a condition like don't use comparison operator.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like requirement is like, but suppose you created array by using dynamic memory allocation. Okay, there you store some elements. For example, integer data I can store. Okay, this is one thing we completed. First thing, by using DMA, we can store this element. That is first task. Next task is he will provide the target. Okay. For example, target is 33. We
Yes,
need
sir.
to find whether this target is present or not in this memory. Okay. But suppose if it is 33, then we need to print yes. If it is 66,
Yes.
output should be no. What is the condition we need to follow? Don't use comparison operator and by using bitwise operator to find the target.
Use bitwise.
Can you tell me the logic? What is the logic coming in your mind?
We have to take num, sir.
Okay.
Check each element greater than or equals to 16.
Why greater than or equal to? User already given you the target. Okay. It is fixed one.
Okay.
In the runtime only they will provide target. What is the target you want?
Okay, sir.
Then no need to take greater than or less than. Okay, next.
Okay. Already told, sir, comparison.
Okay, we'll write the program. Just observe. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Malloc see. Find target. Malloc find target dot c. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is a header file. For what purpose we can take? stdio.h. For what purpose we take?
Yes. stdlib.h.
Okay. To clear the buffer, you know what are the to clear buffer? Which header file we need to add? You know, like, have you ever heard this header file?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I will explain why we are using this file. Okay. First one,
Okay.
we can write without function. We can implement. After that, we can use by function. We can try. Okay. First, I take the main. Then after, what is the requirement? We need to create a memory in the heap section. For that, what we need to take? One pointer we need to take. First, we need to assign with a null to avoid the wild pointer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we have to use the malloc. And simple, how many elements? For example, we can take 5 elements. Okay. 5 into
Yes, sir.
size of int.
In-
Okay. After this, actually we need to check whether the memory is created or not. How we can check a simple ptr equal to null. Means on success, the malloc and calloc there, na? First we discuss about malloc only. On malloc, on success, like whenever you create the memory, like whether this memory is present, then it will return the base address of the memory on success.
Okay,
Like on success, on failure, both things are there. On success, it will return what? Base address of the memory.
yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
On failure, what it will return?
Yes.
What?
Mine.
It will
One
return
minus one.
1 minus 1. No. It will return null.
Null. Okay, sir.
That return type is not int, na? Means if it is 1 or minus 1 means this is the integer. Then it could
Okay,
be
okay.
the return type is int. But here the return type is void star, no? Pointer. Means
Yes, sir.
it
Yes.
we need the
Yes, sir.
address.
That's right. Null.
That's why on failure it will return null. On success it will return base
Null.
address.
Okay, sir.
On failure
Base
it
address
will
of
return.
memory.
That's why we need to check the error case, whether the memory is hit or not. Simple, you can say like printf memory allocation failed. Okay. Any doubt as of now?
No, sir.
Okay. After this means now the memory is created. Then simple, you can ask the user printf enter the elements you want. Or else enter anyway, you are taking direct size, na? Or else you can make it as user friendly, like size is equals to 5 I had taken. If you want to make it as runtime method, it is also possible. Simple, you can change here size. Okay. Now you can here tell to the user. Okay. Now you need to read like 5 elements you need to read. Now for that you have to take for loop I less than size I plus plus. Okay.
I plus plus. Okay, sir.
Now tell me what is the statement I need to write here? Is it correct? Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then simple for the better understand. Then you need to ask target also, no? From the user. Vijay, can you tell me like if you're not able to understand, get the logic, then simple stop me and I ask me. I will, okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It will take in 0. After this, we can ask the user, or else we can print first what are the elements we printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? Escape 5 YY. You know, Vijay, how to copy in Linux?
Yes, sir. Escape YY copy, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Again, here we need to do the elements you entered. You need to pass your size. Okay. Then you need to use address, and for the better understand enter space. Simply here we need to use printer. Okay. Then now we can ask like target. Enter the target. You want to check. Okay. Again we need to use scanner %d target. Yes. Now tell me the main logic. Up to now, simple how we are using scanf and printf and all. That is
Yes,
an array how we are using. That is up to fine. Now this is the main program, main logic from here onwards. Can you tell me how to find the target is present or not in that array by using bitwise operator?
Okay, sir.
What is the logic coming in your mind? Anyway, first we need to traverse int start is equal to 0 starting index. Then start is less than size. Anyway, we have size, na? Then start plus plus. We have to move start plus plus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is for traverse from starting to ending.
Okay, sir. Sir,
This is the logic.
in for loop, if you didn't open the bracket also, it will work or not work, sir? Or compulsory we have to open the bracket?
This bracket you are saying?
No, sir. Upside. Enter the percentile the element that down.
Where? Okay. I will make. Wait. Set
Okay, sir.
Now tell me which statement you are saying?
12th statement, sir.
12th statement.
In 12th statement, you open the bracket, sir.
Yes.
I plus plus after.
Yes.
It is mandatory to open the bracket.
Not
function
mandatory,
bracket, or
but
if
yes. Yeah. As a good
if you didn't
programmer, we need to give proper syntax. We need to follow. Okay. But as of now,
if you
we
didn't
know
open the bracket also, it will work, sir.
that is fine.
Okay, sir.
But for suppose in the future,
Okay,
you need
sir.
to do something under extra task. Okay, that's
Okay,
why you need to give proper
Okay, sir.
start and end bracket. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now the main logic here, simple. Is there any logic coming in your mind by using bitwise operator? Have you ever tried without using bitwise operator?
I tried, sir, but
Simple. If already we know the target. Anyway, if you are using comparison operator, it is fine. You will get. But he's given one hint using bitwise operator. Which bitwise operator is suitable? That is XOR.
Sir?
XOR operator.
XOR.
Why XOR operator? Because if we are doing XOR, you are doing XOR, you will get 0 with the same value. 1 XOR 1, what is the value? 0 only, no? If both are same, we will get 0. Okay? That is the logic.
If opposite is there, we get 1.
Yes. If it is both are different, then we'll get 1. Now here we are good. Simple. We can terminate here. Simple printf. Or else better to use flag. Or else better use flag only. We can take one flag. Here also we can terminate, but every time we need to take care about the else case also. Okay, simple flag we can update. Flag place, then simple break. Okay. After that, simple we need to check if flag. That means printf, or simply you can mention target. That's it. Okay. Or else simple you can mention else printf target not present. Then after what we have to do, as a good developer, we need to free the memory. Free PTR. Here what happen if you free this PTR, it will create dangling pointer. To avoid this dangling pointer, what we need to do? We need to assign to PTR with a null. Now PTR is free. There is no dangling pointer concept. Then simple we need to return 0. Okay. Any doubt, Vijay? Any confusion? Is it clear?
Why we kept not, sir? If not,
Wait. Yeah. If not, for suppose if it is 0, means when target is present, then what happens? Result is 0 only. If both are same, one XOR with 1, we get 0. Then it won't update the flag. That's why I am using not operator there. Whenever it is 0, then I want to enter into if block. I want to terminate the for loop. That's why I am taking here not. Is it clear? Any confusion still?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll see.
Sir,
We'll get
flag plus plus means?
Flag plus plus means here updating the flag value. See, initially I am taking the flag value as 0. Whether the target is present, simple I make the flag is updated.
Okay.
After this, I am checking whether the flag is still it is 0.
Okay.
Na? That means flag is not updated, means target not founded here. That's why after this, I am checking whether the flag means flag is updated or not. If it is 0 means it will enter to the else part. Then simple it will print target not present. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, we'll get the error. PTR of I not declared. Means here we are taking was start point. Start na. Okay. One more thing we can see. What is the line number? 24 line number. Simple how to go. Escape colon 24. Now your cursor is pointing to 24th statement. Now you can move to insert mode. PTR of here we need to take start. Okay. No errors. Slash error dot. Enter 5 elements. 11. See the elements you entered 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Now it's asking about the target. First we can take the target as 33. Target present. The same thing we can do without other target. We can enter. Now again we can enter 100 of the target. Target not present. Got the point? This is also one of the important question in the interview. Okay. Just what we did by using DMA concept. First we create the memory. After that we initialize that memory by using scanf. After that by using printf we have print those elements in the memory. After that we take the target from the user. After that by using traversing we are finding the target. Now here time complexity is more. Okay. No need to print elements. Whether
Okay, sir.
if you select first the target and the element, then which target you want. That is also other thing. Means while you are reading only, if you check the target you are entering or not. Whatever the thing you are doing, na, same thing you can paste this in first for loop. After reading that element, you can do this operation. Simple, whether target is present or not. Okay.
Okay.
See, now coming to this part. As of now, simple I explain about the Malloc only. Still, we are not coming to our point. Why Malloc and Calloc both we have. As of now, we seen only the Malloc concept.
Yes.
Like what is the prototype of the Malloc, on success what it will return, on failure what it will return, and how to implement a program by using dynamic memory allocation concept. Okay. Now your task is the upcoming task class, or if you have the time, after this also you can explore why we need both functions to create the memory. Why not only one?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes. I think he
Just try yours.
Yeah.
You can use. Yes. Kind of. Yeah.
he left actually.
Okay, Vijay.
Yeah.
Just try to explore that one.